this, y'all. Getting ready for this tax test on Tuesday. Gotta do it big. We're gonna kick the mess out of the tax test, y'all. Let's do this. On Monday night, I'm gonna get a good rest. Cause Tuesday, I take the tax test. First thing I'm gonna do to get ready for the test is eat myself a healthy breakfast. When I get to school, I wanna be prepared. Gotta make sure all my supplies are there. I need pencils, erasers, a highlighter too. And don't forget a good AR book. When I sit down to take the test, I wanna make sure that I do my best. Don't wanna get all flustered and turn all red. Gonna do all the things that my teacher said. I'm gonna use the unravel test taking tip. Commended, that's how I'm making it. 12 powerful words, I got those down too. I'm gonna beat the tax, that's what I'm gonna do. T-A-K-S, we're gonna kick the mess out of the tax test. T-A-K-S, we're gonna kick the mess out of the tax test. T-A-K-S, we're gonna kick the mess out of the tax test.